Step through.
Kick your head up.
Scoop the head. Come back.
Scoop
Scoop the head. Come back. Come back.
Slide his back. Don't step
Go,
over.
go,
Walk
go. Stay
back.
down.
There you go. Scoop his head. Get behind the arm.
You're out. Stand up.
Behind him.
Stand up, Gabe. Win.
Control the wrist.
Up. Hips up.
That's the wrist. Tuck it in. Hey. Catch the wrist. Double side. Very Davis. There it is. Get the wrist.
Get your head up.
Mason tilt. Go. Mason tilt. Elbow in front. All the way through.
Your head down there.
There you go. Elevate.
Get tight.
Count.
Kick out. Kick
Get that
out.
right shoulder out. There you go.
Kick out.
That's it.
Nice it. Nice it.
No backwards, sir.
Back on.
Get your head up, Gabe. Get your wrist control. Get to your feet. Up. You're out.
Run it. Hard.
Head up.
Turn it. Go. Step through.
Good, Gabe.
Scoop the head. Come back. Scoop his head. Elbow back. Scoop the head.
Right elbow back. Bump. There you go. Half. Come out to the side. Run it. Run it.
There you go.
Good.
Round time.
I was like, that's ready for it.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Hey, first move. Hips out, knee slide. Hips out, up. You gotta clear the arm. Clear the arm. You're up. You gotta move your feet, Chance. There you go. Chance. Tripod. Remember, knee slide. And your hand has to come up.
Look up, bud. Look up. Get up.
Explosive.
Then move your arm.
There it is. You're out. You're out.
Hips out.
Go, James. Go.
Circle.
Break. Go, move. Go. Circle. There you go. That's it. You turn it. Turn it. Yeah. There you
Step
go.
over, step to the right, cartwheel over, head up, slide forward, pop your head up,
Yeah.
cross wrist, drive, lift at the knee, lift and turn, lift and turn, step through, hook the bottom,
Hug it.
touch your elbow to the mat, touch your elbow to the mat, there it is,
Drive it.
scoop his head,
Yeah, he's got it. That's it.
Chance, pick his head up, cross wrist,
Scoop. Back points there.
Yeah.
either head
Good workout.
or cross.
Keep it going.
Scoop the head.
Get all you can out of it.
That's right.
Sure, that was some